Starting around 13 September 2023, Nexo especially is exchanging at 56 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.2% in absolute most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo explicitly has an in every practical sense, all-out market cap of $311,651,142, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,843,682 in a for the most part huge manner. This generally makes Nexo truly positioning at 90 in the digital money market, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what certainly is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023. What will Nexo in a real sense be extremely worth in 2023 in a very significant manner? Is Nexo an especially wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in a truly significant manner? Will Nexo cost especially outperform its unequaled in every way that really matters? High in an unpretentious way. These really are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future in a kind of enormous manner. Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo cost generally is supposed to essentially cross a truly normal value level of 76 cents, the normal certainly least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to explicitly be 72 cents, which especially is very critical. Besides, Nexo can in a real sense arrive at a kind of greatest value level of 81 cents in a genuinely significant manner. Nexo value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Nexo basically is estimated to for the most part be at around a fundamentally least worth of 61 cents, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The Nexo value worth can for the most part arrive at a really limit of 69 cents. With the genuinely normal exchanging worth of 67 cents in United States dollars, which by and large is very huge. Nexo value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Nexo really is supposed to basically be at around a truly least of 66 cents, or so they in every practical sense thought. Nexo cost can in every practical sense arrive at a really limit of 72 cents, with the very normal cost of 68 cents in United States dollars. Showing how generally is Nexo a very wise speculation, or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo value expectation October 2023. The cost for Nexo in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 69 cents and 75 cents in a sort of significant manner, while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to be around 71 cents in an unpretentious manner. Nexo value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Nexo really is especially anticipated to generally arrive at an in every practical sense, normal cost of 74 cents, while the coin could exchange between an in every practical sense, limit of 78 cents and at least 72 cents, or so they sort of thought. Nexo value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Nexo basically is supposed to sort of be at around a truly least of 72 cents, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo cost can for the most part arrive at a limit of 81 cents, with the very normal cost of 76 cents in United States dollars in a quite huge way. Nexo pretty past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been generally diminished by 2.63% in its truly current worth, showing how this especially makes Nexo kind of positioning at 90 in the digital money market in a significant way. Assuming we in a real sense look at the really current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo in a real sense is confronting a genuinely difficult time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins, showing how Nexo value estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Nexo certainly is for the most part anticipated to in every way that really matters arrive at an all things considered normal cost of 74 cents, while the coin could exchange between a by and large limit of 78 cents and an essentially least of 72 cents. Or so they sort of thought. The Nexo essentially is down to nearly 4.8% in the very most recent 7 days in a significant manner. The coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for truly past really couple of days. The coin could in every practical sense have all things considered solid essentials in any case. We don't in every practical sense feel that it would a productive resource and kind of momentary in a very significant manner. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo certainly diminished by 22.641%, wiping out an incredible sort of normal amount of 16 cents from its essentially current worth, showing how Nexo value expectation 2023, as per the Nexo figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Nexo cost in a real sense is supposed to commonly cross a genuinely normal value level of 76 cents, the normal exceptionally least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to generally be 72 cents, which especially is genuinely huge. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be a kind of good truly purchase a valuable open door for especially speedy speculation, exhibiting how this truly makes Nexo most certainly positioning at 90 in the cryptographic money market, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 33.90%, and the cost in a real sense coursed from a sort of least all things considered, normal cost of 79 cents, to kind of greatest in every practical sense, normal cost of 86 cents, in the kind of beyond 90 days. So the 90 days cost change basically is near 33.90%, and the cost commonly flowed from a kind of least especially normal cost of 79 cents to by and large greatest essentially normal cost of 86 cents, in the very beyond 90 days, in an unpretentious manner. Nexo in every practical sense is somewhere near 24.79% with the by and large greatest pretty typical cost of the coin in every practical sense was around 67 cents. And the genuinely least by and large normal cost of truly was around 65 cents in sort of beyond 4 months, showing how while the exceptionally normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around 71 cents in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Nexo value figure 2023 facts. What will explicitly be Nexo especially worth in 2023? Which explicitly is genuinely huge. The Nexo cost especially is gauged to generally arrive at a genuinely most extreme degree of 81 cents, with certainly least cost of 72 cents, toward the finish of 2023, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Does Nexo by and large have a future in an all things considered, huge way? As far as value, Nexo for the most part has a remarkable kind of potential to really arrive at new levels, so Nexo in a real sense is confronting an essentially difficult time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins, showing how Nexo value estimate November 2023. For November 2023 the cost of Nexo by and large is somewhat anticipated to arrive at a sort of typical cost of 74 cents, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of 78